people, please buckle your seatbelts. We're about to make a landing. Oh no, the accelerator!
Yay! Let's go over here. Oh, look, it's a thingamajiggy. I think it's a kind of... Start playing that awful music. We can hear it a mile away.
Oh yeah? Well, let's go light a fire on the mountain.
Okay, good thing we can teleport up there.
Fire!
There we go. Let's go to sleep now. Oh my god, it's a pig. I'm gonna have to kill it now. Oh good, here's a spear.
You let the fire go out? How stupid are you? That's your only job!
Oh yeah? Well, take this, piggy. And
Glasses!
Where are my glasses going? Let's go to sleep. No, let's go wake up. Oh, and by the way, screw you guys. You suck. Come on, Sam and I are gonna go have some fun on this place. Oh yeah, I just blew your mind. Oh, take that. Good luck surviving without us. Ooh.
Screw you! We're leaving too!
Good luck! Piggy, I'm gonna steal your glasses. Boy, Piggy is sure one sucker. Oh, come on! Another pig? You've got to be kidding me. I'll get out the spears. Well, that was easy. Oh, got myself a pig head. Well, and now skip to the beast. Toodaloo.
I swear I'm not a monster, I swear! I swear! Please don't hurt me! No!
I can't see without my glass. I'm dead.
Oh, Piggy, why? Why, Piggy? Why? Oh God, not again, please, no!
We're gonna kill you! We're gonna kill you and skin you!
Piggy,
And
I
feed you to
love
the
you.
beast!
A boat.
Get on board, son. We're getting out of here.